In this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, the story of a man who lost his legs but not his spirit. As Kian Morgan reports, the farmer is encouraging others to keep moving despite life's challenges.
Liebert Frey from Highfield, Hanover, needs neither legs nor wheelchair to get around. All he requires is his hands and these two padded black bags which he uses to cushion himself as he treads along. As he swiftly descends, he begins to work. Today, he's cutting stones. Tomorrow, he may be farming or digging a foundation. No matter the task, he tackles it.
From I go on the work spot, and I see what kind of work. I just attack it, whether it's rough or it's soft. And from you attack it and start, it just come easy.
Mr. Frey wasn't born this way. He lost his legs about 4 years ago due to poor circulation. Prior to that, he was an all-rounder.
Drive taxi, build wall, build house, cut bush, plant, do everything.
Albeit, he's still industrious. He has to be in order to sustain himself.
Regardless, I don't have any legs. And you have to move, because me have to eat every day.
His strength he attributes to no longer eating meat and having a good support system.
Him never stops. Never stop. Sometimes I have to tell him, listen, me man, come go get some rest or come, just chill out, take a break.
Mr. Frey believes once you have drive and aspirations, limbs are just an accessory.
Don't sit down in the house or lie in the bed. Just get up and move. Because the sitting down in the bed will make you get worse. So I just get up every morning and find myself occupied.
As such, he's encouraging idle able-bodied youths to stop wasting time.
Make we do some farming. Make we cut down some bush and plant some seed. And 2 toes after you plant it, you will reap. And the nicer part of when you're reaping, you own something while you plant.
With a ray of hope, I am Kian Morgan.